Welcome back to my channel. This tutorial is about how to create a digital wallpaper in Photoshop. So please keep watching. First, create a document by going on File, New, and create a fairly large document. You can follow the size I have put in. When the document has been created, select the polygon tool and change the size to 6. To draw the polygon, not too big, just like mine. You can make it bigger if you want. Duplicate the polygon by pressing Alt on the keyboard and dragging it. Position it in a nice place, not too close but not too far away from each other. Duplicate the polygon again and position it on another side. Then click on the top polygon layer and click on the bottom polygon layer while holding Shift on the keyboard to select them together. If you click Ctrl and E, they were merged into one layer, so we can drag and duplicate the layer as a pattern. I'll keep the duplicating and dragging throughout the document, so keep repeating this step. I think this is enough, so again click on the top layer. Press Shift and select the last layer to merge them by pressing Ctrl and E. Drag the shapes to the edge of the document. After that, hold Alt and drag the shapes to duplicate it on the document and position it nicely, keeping the same pattern. The top line is complete, so merge those two layers. Then keep dragging and creating the pattern as I am doing. When I am done, I'll merge all of the layers together. If you drag the whole thing towards the center, it will cover the whole document. I'm going to rename this layer as polygon to avoid confusion and so I know which layer it is. Next, right click on the layer, blend in options, and here first go on bevel and emboss. Change the depth to 800 because it's a large document and the size to 1. Then go on color overlay and I want a dark gray. Select the background layer, fill it in black by clicking edit, fill and use black. After that, create a new layer on the background layer. So ensure background layer is selected and create a new layer. Change the foreground color. I'll stick with red, but you can choose any color. Select the brush tool and a round soft edge brush. You can use the square bracket buttons on the keyboard to resize the brush. The more I click, the more the glowing effect will increase. This effect is the main purpose of this tutorial. Moving on, click on the polygon layer and create a new layer on it. Select the gradient tool, the linear gradient and the colors black and gray. Hold Shift and click on the top of the document and drag to the bottom, and the gradient has been applied. Change the layer blend mode to overlay and you can see the effect. I'm going to lower the opacity by experimenting with it and leave it around 70%. Clicking back on the polygon layer, right click and rasterize the layer. Now I am going to apply text to the document by selecting the text tool. You can use any font you want. I'm going to use Broadway. You can resize it later and write anything you want. I'm writing digital. I'm going to apply effects to the text by right-clicking the layer blend-in options. On Bevel and Emboss, I'll change the size to 3 and experiment with the depth and leave it at 360. Then on Color Overlay, I'll choose gray because my background is gray. I also want to give it an outer glow, so I'll change the color spread and size. And then go on Stroke, put the size at 5 and set the color to the same color as the foreground color. And that's done. I may wish to resize the text and select the text layer, hold Alt and Shift and drag it to the desired size and position. And with that I am finished and this is the end result. Thank you for watching and I hope you like this tutorial, and please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe and share. See you next time.